Alright guys, so ice maker here on this Samsung smart refrigerator is actually stuck in place, and this is most likely frozen. So we're gonna try to fix this issue, and it looks like this is a pretty common issue. Here's the model number for the refrigerator. Let's close this. So we're gonna go into Fridge Manager. We're gonna try to get into Force Manager here. So for that, we're gonna tap on these edges. There you go, Engineer Mode. Now we're gonna go into Fridge Function Test. And we're gonna go into Force Defrost. Then we'll go into Settings, go into Sound, turn the noise down so that way it won't be bothering you, and letting it to Force Defrost for a little while, and then we'll come back and check out the inside again just to see if we can pull out that drawer, the ice dispenser. So next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here and try to turn off the Fridge Manager and try to turn off the ice maker. So we're gonna turn off the ice maker. There you go, and that's it. Now we're gonna wait for a little while until system is defrosting itself, and then we're going to try to remove the tray. And it's right here to remove, to turn off the ice maker. So now that everything is turned off, the ice maker is off and currently system is defrosting itself, we are going to put this towel in here just in case, as you know, if water starts to drip here, so you can catch. And yeah, that's it. At the moment, we're just gonna leave it as it is, and hopefully this will melt and allow us to remove this tray. At the moment, it is still stiff, still stuck in here. It won't come out, so we're not gonna force it. We're gonna let it sit like this, and then hopefully it'll loosen up. So let's come back to it in a few. Alrighty guys, I've been running this defrost setting for about 25 minutes or so, and there's plenty of water down here, and let's see. Alright, so this thing is out. Oh my god. Oh, there you go. So it's all frozen. So there you have it. There's all ice in here. There you have it. This was all in there. There wasn't much ice left in there. Now we're gonna clean up the inside. Should we get all the ice out and the water? Because once we turn it back on, it will, all this water is gonna freeze up again, so be sure to get all the water underneath this tray as well. So we are gonna have to open this up. I'll slide this pantry tray. We're gonna slide it right back in there. So, you know, it's up and over. There you go. And now we're gonna get the ice tray back in there. Make sure you get all the water and ice out of this tray here. Alright guys, I just put this back in here. So after cleaning it and wiping all the water and the ice out, I'm putting it slowly back in its place. Now we're just gonna set the refrigerator to its back to normal position, working condition, so we can get out of this page. And freezing temperature is already going down to 1 degree Fahrenheit. That's good. So while we at it, we might as well gonna change the water filter as well, down in the bottom. So I already removed it. So to insert it, I'm just gonna press it and twist it. Turn it to the right to lock. And that's it, that's how you do it. So once you install it, I believe the normal procedure is you're gonna have to run 3 gallons of water through the water dispenser to kind of flush all the chemicals out of this filter. And then after that, you'll be good to go. So, oops, now let's close this again. I'm gonna turn on the water in the back. Now I'm gonna go into Fridge Manager. And turn on the ice maker. The filter, we're gonna make sure that we reset it. Reset. Today's date. And fridge should be set to 38. So the ideal temperature for fridge is 37, so let's set it to 37. The freezer is at a good temperature. Ice making is on. Alright, so we should be good to go. Energy saver unlock. Okay. Push this back in first. Okay. So now we're gonna run some water to clean the filter. So this is a 32 ounce pitcher, and we need 3 gallons, so that would be roughly 12 of these. Ooh. Yeah, it may do this. It may squirt some water, so just be prepared because it's building up pressure. There it goes. You can see water is still kind of hazy. So water is still a little foggy, but as we get close to the 3 gallon mark, it'll clear out. There you go. Water's getting much clearer now. And water's much more clear now, not foggy. So that is all there is to it, guys. Now we're just gonna clean up this mess. The water went all over the place. And and the freezer should be functioning as it should from here on out. And as you already can see, the temperature is dropping, so refrigerator is getting back the temperature to its normal setting. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Bye.